that time of the year again when the very beautiful SLOOF LIRPA bird migrates to our area. One day out of the entire year, which happens to be
I think it's today.
today, bird watchers all around the state look forward to catching a glimpse of the SLOOF LIRPA. Your homework is to try to see the SLOOF LIRPA bird for yourself. The SLOOF LIRPA has a very specific call and usually plays once the call is made. Here's some tips for catching the sight of the SLOOF LIRPA. Stand in front of your yard before the sun goes down and yell SLOOF LIRPA very loud 3 times in a row. If that doesn't work, try spinning around in a circle while you make the call. That way the call is heard in all directions. If that still doesn't work, try flapping your arms like a bird while you spin around and yell SLOOF LIRPA. After step 3, you should definitely be able to see the SLOOF LIRPA bird in your very own yard. If you are one of the unlucky ones, though, and you have not been able to see the SLOOF LIRPA, try the words SLOOF LIRPA and write the words SLOOF LIRPA in all capital letters on the back of this page. Hold it in front of your mirror and smile.
Okay, so what are you supposed to do first?
Stand in front of my yard before the sun goes down and you yell SLOOF LIRPA very loud 3 times in a row.
Okay, try that. Go out there a little bit. That's okay. All right, go ahead.
SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA!
See anything?
No. I'm expecting it to come over there. I'm expecting it to come over these.
Let's try the other one. Let's see what it says.
Okay, it says here. It says, if that doesn't work, try spinning around in a circle while you make the call. That way it's heard in all directions.
All right, hold on. Okay, go ahead.
SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA!
All right, let's try the third one. Okay.
If that still doesn't work, try flapping your arms like a bird while you spin around and yell SLOOF LIRPA. SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA!
See anything yet?
No.
Nothing?
I see like this orange dot over there. Where?
Think it might be the SLOOF LIRPA bird?
No, I don't see it moving. Where? I don't see it moving.
Well, I don't see an orange dot.
Well, I can see it really. Stop, Caleb.
I'm trying to stay here to see if I can see it. I can't see it.
All right, so what does it say? Here, you hold it. At the end was...
Well, write the word SLOOF LIRPA in all capital letters on the back of this page. Hold it in front of the mirror and smile.
Okay, so you want to go try that? You don't see
I
it
don't
anywhere.
See it.
So it says if you don't see it, that's what you're supposed to do, right?
I know. I want to do it again.
You want to try it all again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, so what's the first step?
Yell it out loud 3 times in a row.
Okay.
SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA! I'm trying it.
Hang on.
I do it louder.
See anything yet?
Nope. That's still orange dot. Still not moving.
All right, Caleb, you give it a shot.
SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA! SLOOF LIRPA!
That was pretty loud.
Okay, it says if If that doesn't work, try spinning around in a circle while you make a call. That way, the call is heard in all directions.
Okay.
Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA!
See anything?
Oh, man. Wait, that stinking little bird. Oh, wait. It said sundown. The sun's already down.
Not yet. We got about 10 more minutes before the sun goes down.
Okay.
All right.
So step 3, if that still doesn't work, try flapping your arms like a bird while you spin it around and yell Sloof LIRPA.
Okay.
Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! Sloof LIRPA! I saw something right there. Oh no, it's just a recording. Can't see anything.
All right. What do you guys think? Don't see anything? Don't see anything either. Alright. Well, I guess since it's so rare, we may not be able to see it. So what does it say? It says after?
After step 3, you should definitely be able to see the Sloof LIRPA bird. If in your very own yard, if you are one of the unlucky ones, and you have not been able to see a Sloof LIRPA, write the word Sloof LIRPA in all capital letters on the back of this page. Hold it in front of a mirror and smile.
Alright, do you remember how to spell it? Write it real big here. Turn it this way and write it across here. Do you remember how to spell it? You can do Sloof LIRPA if you want, okay?
No, it says write your name.
No, it says write.
Oh, the word Sloof LIRPA.
Okay, so write the word Sloof LIRPA. Write it real big. So remember how to spell it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Got it now? Okay. Alright, let's go check out the mirror. You want to put it in front of the mirror? What does it say?
Sloof LIRPA. Sloof LIRPA.
Can you read it? Read it.
Sloof LIRPA.
No, read it this way.
April. I hate you people.
You're never gonna post this on Facebook.
Are you kidding me? You must be kidding me or fooling me. I hate you
It
people.
wasn't my idea. Apparently it was your teacher's idea.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. It was
Hey,
your
Sloof
homework.
LIRPA. Sloof LIRPA.
It's not a real.
April.
It's not a real bird.
Backward.
It's not a real bird.